Now, let me walk you through some material that I have, and let's look at how exactly or why basically I'm bringing so many points up about decision making and data. This is, guys, by the way, this is like a standard slide that is a part of every proposal that goes out of Zorba to any of the clients. This is the first slide that we put up. Can anyone go through this slide and tell me what exactly is this slide trying to show you? And I would want everyone to respond on this. Whatever comes to your head, the first thing, right? Come on, guys. Don't try to overanalyze it. Don't try to overthink it. It's just right there in front of you. This is the binding philosophy at Zorba. Like this is why we basically are doing what we are doing. So tell me, what do you understand by this? Guys, come on, no one? Parimal says progress in monitoring decision making. No. So Parimal, what I'm saying is like, do you get a story out here from this? Tarun, Mansi, Sai Kumar, quick. Shweta, that's a good one. That's a good one. Yes, definitely close to what I was thinking. Others? Sai Kumar, yes, perfect. There's a very crazy thing here. It's a very subtle thing, right? But that subtle thing is more about experience converting into arrogance. And everyone who works in corporate probably will know this or understand this, right? And even people who don't, right? You can understand it. That at times what happens is that with experience, people at times become arrogant thinking that they know, right? Like you would have heard people saying, right? Like, I know my business. I don't need someone to come and tell me how it's done. What it is showing, right? This visual, this guy, right? This big smile, basically, this big, huge smile that he has in that confident posture is basically saying that he is in an illusion, thinking that his company, his business, like it's just a metaphor. It's actually like a trekking pass, right? It's somewhere in the mountains, and this guy feels that he's making great progress unless suddenly, right, the guy right in front of him falls off the cliff because of like a soft edge or something. And what happened was that this guy lost a team member. His inference was wrong. He made everyone do useless hard work of climbing through this steep road, and one person had to lose his life. You can relate it to business in any way you want. And then the second one, the guy here on the right side is looking at a map, which is basically a representative of data, right? That he's looking at data. And another important thing is that if you see, his entire team is also participating in it. So he's taking their opinion as well. And all of them collectively are deciding that, yeah, that seems to be like the pass, right? There is the pass from where we can cross. So this become more like an informed decision on raw data rather than just that one leader's perception and his decision. So this single visual tells a lot of things actually. And I keep this as like a binding principle at Zorba, right? So even people who work with me, there are many interns who work at Zorba who have not even gone into corporate yet. But still, we never dictate the decisions at Zorba, right? We want to take everyone's opinion, and we never try to be like, I know it all kind of leaders, right? Here, what we try to do is we literally ask our interns also to come up with data. That, hey, let's take the data, let's analyze the data, because I don't know, right? I don't know what the process is. I can't just have my hunches or my illusions drive my team to do work or hard work that is pointless for them. So that's basically the guiding principle at Zorba, and that's also an important lesson for you guys. Always remember this story, right? Whenever like you get any kind of arrogance because you've got an experience, or whenever you feel like taking a decision quickly without going too much into data, just remember this.